Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Sunday, everybody. Y'all know what that means. We've got some new Dollar General digital coupons to clip to our accounts, and we have a lot of glitches to go over as well. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. And while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button for me and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two easy, quick, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then if you have an extra second, go ahead and share the video. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right into our new Dollar General digital coupons, and let me just go ahead and give y'all a heads up. We have a lot to go over in this video. We received over 100 new digital coupons on our accounts this morning, and we have quite a few really good deals. We have a lot of really good coupons, and we have a lot of glitches to go over. So I will be skipping over quite a few of them just so that I can get to the main deals that y'all need to know about. And then of course, make sure that y'all stay tuned, because I will be doing a good deals and glitch list video probably Tuesday morning. I'll have that uploaded for y'all. So of course, go ahead and clip your 5 off 25 for Saturday. Next up, we have a 3 off 1 for the Eucerin lotions. Those are priced at $5.85, so after the coupon you're going to pay $2.85. We have a 3 off 1 for the Renew. We have 1 off 1 for the Oral-B Adult Manual toothbrushes. So if you want to pick up the Oral-B Indicator 2-count toothbrushes, those are priced at $3.35. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.35. However, this coupon is glitching, and it is working on the Bright and Clean or Healthy and Clean toothbrushes. Those are priced at $1 each. So pick up one of those, use this coupon, and that's going to make it completely free. So there is our first glitch of the day, and it is a pretty good one. Next up, we have 1 off 1 for the Microban multi-purpose sprays. These are priced at $3.50, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.50. We have Flonase. We have another 1 off 1 for the Microban sanitizing sprays. Those are a bit pricier at $6.25. We have Safeguard. We have a $1.25 off 1 for the Centrum vitamins. So if you want to pick up the gummies, those are priced at $5.85. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.60. Or you can pick up the Centrum minis. Those are priced at $3. After the coupon, you're going to pay $1.75. However, we do have higher value insert coupons, and we also have a higher value digital coupon that y'all are going to see here in just a second. So I'm going to pass on clipping that one. We have 1 off 1 for the Sensodyne, 3 off 2 for the Head & Shoulders, 2 off 1 for the Clairol, 3 off 1 for the Vicks products, 1 off 1 for the Olay moisturizers, 2 off 1 for the pull-ups. Alright, now next up, we did receive a new DG store coupon for Suave products. Save $2 when you spend $8. Now I'm not showing this as attaching to anything in the app. However, we do still have the instant savings going on this week on Suave products, so hopefully Dollar General will get that fixed and that will work, and we can stack this DG store coupon with some instant savings. Moving on down, we have 1 off 1 for the Sparkle paper towels. These are priced at $7.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $6.50. Now, we do have a higher value coupon of 2 off 1, but that one does expire today. So if you need some Sparkle paper towels, head on out to DG today and pick those up and use that higher value coupon. Next up, we have 50 cents off 1 for the Angel Soft bath tissue. Now, we do have some higher value coupons for 1 off 1, but this 50-cent coupon does work on the 4 mega rolls. Those are priced at $3.95, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.45. But just keep in mind, we do have those higher value 1 off 1 coupons. Those work on the 8-count mega rolls. All right. Moving on down, we have Flonase. We have a 1 off 1 for the Swiffer products. I have noticed that those went up in price. These Swiffer Duster starter kits, those used to be $5. Those are now $6, unfortunately. Next up, 1 off 2 for the Huggies wipes. These are on sale this week, 2 for $4.50. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50 for 2. We have Loves. We have 1 off 1 for the Vicks Vapo products. So if you want to pick up these 16-count cough drops, those are priced at $3.55. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.55. However, this coupon is glitching, and it is working on the Vicks Vapo Cool 20-count cough drops found in the dollar aisle for $1. So pick up one of those, use this coupon, and that's going to make it completely free. Moving on, we have a one-off one for the Fabuloso all-purpose cleaners. These are priced at $7, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $6. Next up, we have a 3-off one for the Always Discreet. We also have a 25-cent off one for the Bounty paper towels. So the 2-count mega rolls on the Bounty Essentials, those are priced at $4.25. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4. However, this coupon is glitching and it is working on the 1-count Bounty Essential paper towels for $1 found in the dollar aisle. So pick up one of those, use that coupon, you're going to pay just 75 cents, which would make for a great filler item for Saturday. All right, moving on down, we have 3 off 2 for the Herbal Essences, 1 off 1 for the Crest toothpaste, and y'all already know this coupon is glitching and it is working on the Crest Pro Health toothpaste found in the dollar aisle for $1. So pick up one of those, use this coupon, and that's going to make it completely free. We have a lot of freebies this week. We have a 1 off 1 for the Tone body wash. Those are priced at $3.65, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.65. 2 off 1 for the Tide products, 3 off 1 for the Advil. If you want to pick up the children's Advil, those are priced at $6. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3, so not a bad deal there. We also have a 2 off 1 for the Colgate toothbrushes. If you want to pick up the Max White toothbrush, those are priced at $3.35, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.35. We have 1 off 2 for the Old Spice products. If you want to pick up the body wash, those are priced at $5 each. Pick up 2, use the coupon, you're going to pay $9 for 2. However, this coupon is glitching and it is working on the Old Spice 0.5 ounce deodorants. Those are priced at $1.25 each. So pick up 2, use the coupon, you're going to pay $1.50 for 2. All right, moving on down, we have 2 off 1 for the Crest Gum Detoxify, $1.50 off 1 for the Polygrip, 4 off 1 for the Gillette razors. This is a coupon that I'm happy to see back. Again, we haven't had it in a long time. So this works on the Mach 3 razors. Those are priced at $8.25. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $4.25. We have 1 off 1 for the Extra, 5 off 3 for the Secret, $1.50 off 1 for the Advil, 3 off 3 for the Pantene. Now here's one we need to talk about because we do have a higher value coupon of 4 off 2. However, I do believe it expires before Saturday, but the reason why I wanted to talk about this is because the Pantene products are on sale this week, 2 for $10. So if you do the sale and the 4 off 2 coupon, that's going to leave you paying $6 for 2. So that's a little bit of a better deal versus this 3 off 3 coupon. Moving on, we have 5 off 2 for the Clairol, 5 off 3 for the Colgate products. Now, I'm going to pass on clipping this one for now just because we do have those 2 off 1 coupons, and those are a much better deal than this 5 off 3. If you wanted to use this coupon, it does work on the Max Fresh toothpaste. Those are priced at $2.95 each. Pick up 3, use the coupon, you're going to pay $3.85 for 3. Moving on down, we have 1 off 2 for the Olay products. Those are pretty pricey at $7 each. However, this coupon is glitching and it is working on the Olay 2-count bar soaps. Those are priced at $3.35. So pick up 2, use the coupon, you're going to pay $5.70 for 2 of the 2-count Olay bar soaps. Next up, we have 2 off 2 for the Oral-B floss. So those are priced at $4 each. Pick up 2, use the coupon, you're going to pay $6 for 2. However, this coupon is also glitching. This is working on the Fresh Mint 75 count picks, the floss picks. Those are also priced at $3.35 each. So pick up 2, use this coupon, you're going to pay $4.70 for 2. All right, we're going to skip over a few of these. We have 2 off 1 for the Burt's Bees, 1 off 1 for the Advil Respiratory, 1 off 1 for the Crest mouthwash. So these start out at $4.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50. However, this coupon is also glitching and it is working on the Crest with Scope mouthwash, little trial or travel sizes for $1. So pick up one of those, use the coupon, and that's going to make it completely free. So again, a lot of freebies this week. We're going to skip over a few of these. 1 off 1 for the Fix-It-It, 1 off 1 for the Emergency, 5 off 2 for the Pantene Nutrients. And then we have this save $2 when you spend $6 on Jell-O products. So the little Jell-O packets, those are priced at $1.25 each. Now next up, 1 off 2 for the Safeguard, 2 off 1 for the Colgate mouthwash. Those are priced at $5. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $3. We have Pedialyte, we have the Breeze Feminine Care, 1 off 1 for the Dawn Power Wash products. The spray bottles are $5, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $4. If you want to pick up the refills, those are $4.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50. Now next up we have a 2 off 1 for the Aquaphor lotions. So these are priced at $6.25. After the coupon you're going to pay $4.25. However, if I'm remembering correctly, we do have a higher value insert coupon for a 3 off 1 in the new save insert, which comes out in today's newspapers. Now, if y'all missed yesterday's video, I did upload the save and the P&G insert preview, and I am doing another giveaway with the P&G insert. So I'm going to leave that video linked in the pinned comment down below, and I will be choosing the winners today, and I'm going to post that in the community tab probably sometime this evening. So y'all be on the lookout for that, and go check out that video if you haven't already. Alright, we have 2 off 1 for the All and Purex products, 25 cents off for the Charmin, 2 off 1 for the Polydent, another 2 off 1 for the Eucerin lotions. There's a 2 off 1 for the Nivea lotion as well. So these are priced at $5. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3. We have 1 off 2 for the Kellogg's, another 2 off 1 for the Polydent products. 50 cents off 1 for the Mr. Clean. Those are priced at $3.25. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.75. We have 1 off 1 for the Cascade, 1 off 2 for the Golden Flake pork items, $2.50 off 1 for the Febreze plugins. Here's one that I'm excited about. These are priced at $5.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay just $3. We have 3 off 2 for the Pampers, $1.50 off 1 for the Parodontax products, another 2 off 1 for the Aquaphor. We also have this coupon. It's $4.35 off of 2 of the Ajax or Palmolive dish soaps. Now, this coupon is basically a buy one get one free coupon. It is not taking off the full $4.35 off of each one. So if you want to pick up the Ajax, those are priced at $4.25. Pick up 2. This coupon right here is going to take off $4.25. So you're going to pay $4.25 for 2. All right, now next up we have a $4.35 off of 2 of the Palmolive or Ajax dish soaps. Now I got really excited when I saw this coupon, thinking it was going to take off the full $4.35. However, it's basically a buy one get one free coupon, which is still a pretty good deal. If you want to pick up the Ajax, those are priced at $4.25. So pick up 2 of those, use this coupon, you're going to pay $4.25 for 2. If you want to pick up the Palmolive, those are normally $3 at my store, but for some reason this morning it is showing at $2.95. So if you pick up 2 of those, use this coupon, it's going to take off $2.95, and that's going to leave you paying $2.95 for 2. Now, believe me, I got really excited when I saw that $4.35 coupon, but unfortunately, at least what it is showing in the app, it is only going to take off 1 of those products, so not the full $4.35. Moving on down, we have 2 off 1 for the Colgate toothpaste. If you want to pick up the Max Fresh toothpaste, those are $2.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay 95 cents. We have Nexium. We have 1 off 3 for the Pepsis and Mountain Dew products. Those are on sale. The 12 packs are on sale, 3 for $12. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $11 for 3. We have 1 off 1 for the Robitussin, 2 off 1 for the Febreze small spaces. Those are priced at $3.25. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.25. Another really awesome deal. We have 25 cents off 1 for the Kiss items. Now, there's a lot that works with this coupon. The lowest one that I found so far was the nail glue. I think those were $1.65. So that'll be a good filler item as well. We have 3 off 1 for the BioTrue, $5 off on the gift cards, 1 off 1 for the Nivea lip products. So these are priced at $2. After the coupon, you're going to pay $1. So another really good deal. And then there's that 3 off 1 for the Centrum vitamins. So if you want to pick up the mini vitamins, check out your clearance section. Those are $3. After the coupon, that's going to make it completely free. All right, now here's a few coupons that showed up after I did my screen recording this morning. So we do have a couple of new DG store coupons. Definitely go ahead and clip those to your accounts. We have this save $2 when you spend $8 on any root to end items. Those are priced at $5 each. And then we do have a new Shea Moisture coupon for 3 off 1, but unfortunately that one isn't attaching to anything in the app as of right now. Now, we also received another $2 off when you spend $8 on any 5 deep breaths or the Scent Happy items. Now, those start out at $1 each and go all the way up to $4.35 each, so you could probably come up with a pretty good deal there. And then we also received a new 3 for $4 on the Scent Happy hand soaps. Now, those again are on sale, buy 2 get 1 for free. So with both of those deals applying, you're going to pay $1.75 for all 3 of the Happy hand soaps. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. We have an absolute ton of awesome deals to look forward to at Dollar General this week. And don't be surprised if some new coupons pop up on your account throughout the week, because I am still going to be on the lookout for a Gain DG store coupon. That is one thing that I noticed today that we did not receive on our accounts. So I'm definitely going to be on the lookout for that. Now, before y'all go, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. And while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button for me and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and completely free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then if you have an extra second, go ahead and share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful week, and I will see you on the next one.